Hello, welcome back to the Pro Designs YouTube channel. Today we are going to teach you how to design a photo collage template. After watching this video, you will learn to create awesome photo collages using Photoshop. It's very easy to do. Let's see how to do this. First of all, we should create new canvas according to photo collage size. Keep resolution level at 300 if you are looking to print this collage. Then, pick the rectangle tool. Keep some border. Now, make the sketch of your photo collage using rectangle tool. Keep the stroke at 0 and keep the file in any of color. Take the move tool and complete every adjustments in your template. You can duplicate any object by dragging the object holding the Alt key. Then, open the images one by one. Place the image on top of the relevant rectangle. Adjust the layer order so that the image layer is on top of the corresponding rectangle layer. Move your mouse point holding Alt key until showing this type of mouse header. Press left mouse button once when mouse pointer was changed. Or, right-click on the image layer and click on Create Clipping Mask. Now you can adjust the image as you want in the respective frame only. Then, you can add other images also using this method.
subscribe our channel for more videos like this. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.